Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can disable BitLocker encryption on your drives on your PC. This works on Windows 10 and 11. This is currently on 10, but it's similar steps so you can follow even if you're Windows 11. So let's get started. All you have to do is to go to start and type in PowerShell. And make sure to right click on it and run as administrator. Make sure you run it as administrator. If you don't run as administrator, this will not work. So just make sure it says C, Windows and System32. If it says like that, then it means it's administrator mode. So let's go and type in the first command that you need. All these commands will be in the description of the video, so check them out, copy and paste, and so you don't make any mistakes when you type in them or something like that, because then it will not work. So this is the first command. This is to check our status on the BitLocker. So currently I have on C BitLocked, so I'm gonna type second command. And here on MountPoint, make sure you type in the volume. For you, maybe it's on F or G. It depends where you have the protection on. So for me it's on C, so I type on C. Just make sure you type the correct letter here, the corresponding one. Which one do you have protection on? Protection status. Just make sure where it says on, then you type this one, this letter, that corresponding one. Press and enter. And here are the details for my encryption. So now the last command that you need to type in is this one. Again, at the end, make sure it's the correct letter of the drive. So enter. And now if we type in status again, we'll go with the up arrow on our keyboard to choose the previous commands. So we go on the status, and as you can see, conversion status fully decrypt, protection is off and is unlocked. So if I go here now, my local C does not have the symbol of encrypted. So as you can see, it works everything perfectly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you disable the BitLocker on a Windows PC. Ask me any questions if you have, subscribe for more videos, and see you next video. Bye.